Need to streamline your finances and save time? When managing accounts, isn't it often overwhelming, complex, and prone to errors? Meet remote bookkeeping services. We provide efficient, accurate, and flexible accounting solutions tailored for startups. How it works. At Remote Bookkeeping Services, the process is straightforward. Access your accounts online anytime, receive real-time updates, and collaborate seamlessly with our team. We manage your financial records remotely, ensuring accuracy and compliance, while you focus on growing your business. Utilize tools like QuickBooks, Xero, and cloud storage for efficient bookkeeping and data management, keeping your finances organized and accessible. With experts by your side, we simplify your accounting needs. Choose Remote Bookkeeping Services and enjoy quick setup to start managing your books, regular financial reports to track your progress, transparent pricing with no hidden fees. Save time and reduce stress. Focus on your core business activities. Gain insights into your financial health. Flexible communication options to suit your needs. We handle your bookkeeping efficiently. You can access your financial data anytime and receive personalized support. Sounds great. Remote Bookkeeping Services. Contact us today to simplify your accounting and focus on success.